Good afternoon. My name's Paul Bell from Abilene, Texas. This is our brand new Smoke and Go, which we're introducing to the market. This is a portable smoker and grill and fire pit that collapses into briefcase size, but we've been making some claims that it can smoke and hold low smoking temperatures as well as a backyard grill. And so today we're going to demonstrate that. We've got the green egg set over there at 200 degrees. It's 12:35 p.m. We've got the Smoke and Go set at 180 degrees. And we're going to come check back every once in a while and show you that indeed the portable Smoke and Go can do a low and slow smoke just like the green egg. So you can see here that our Smoke and Go is holding at 192 degrees. Time is 12:45. Green egg is at a little over 200, 205. We'll trim that back to keep both units as close to 200 degrees as possible. Okay, well, it's about time for us to bring our demonstration to a conclusion. We're running out of light here. We've been demonstrating the Smoke and Go's ability to hold temperature, hold smoke. It's 199. It's been that way for over 4 hours with small adjustments to the air vents. The green egg is at 250. Let it get too hot. It's had a hard time cooling off. So the Smoke and Go is not only portable, it'll fit into your RV compartment, your trunk, your closet. Not only is it a great grill at a lower level, but most importantly, it will do a low and slow meat smoke. And by holding the temperature and by holding the smoke, you can smoke with the pros. You can get the kind of flavor that the pros get, but you can take it to the lake, you can take it to your campsite, you can take it poolside, you can take it where you go to bring that genuine smoke flavor to the dinner table that you love.